I love styling, straightening, and blow drying my hair, but that does mean my hair can be left feeling really dull and damaged and lifeless. And that's why I'm so excited to share with you the John Frieda Detox and Repair range, because it has revolutionized my hair care experience, and now I can style my hair as I please and my hair still looks really healthy and nourished. Now, there are 4 products that I've been using consistently, always starting off with the shampoo and the conditioner, and I find that this just detoxifies my hair and leaves it feeling really light and fresh and clean. And then once my hair is completely clean, I add a mask for 5 minutes, and that just nourishes my hair, replenishes it of all that lost moisture from the styling. And I love that the entire range uses quality ingredients like green tea and avocado oil extract. And then finally, I rinse out the mask and I apply the Care and Protect spray to the ends before styling it as usual. Now, today I'm going to show you how I transform my hair from start to finish using these products. I am so in love with them. I can't recommend them anymore. Please let me know what you think if you try them yourself. Enjoy. This is my hair at the moment. It is dirty, it feels dry and damaged, especially my ends. And I'm going to show you how I bring it back to life using the John Frieda Detox and Repair range. I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair to remove any impurities and make it feel smooth and shiny. Now that my hair is clean, I'm going to smooth the mask through the ends and leave it in for 5 minutes before rinsing it out. Now that my hair is clean, I'm going to apply this Care and Protect spray to my ends and then style it as usual. Instantly revitalized, my hair feels soft, healthy, and alive again. John Frieda's Detox and Repair range, designed to instantly revitalize dry, stressed, and damaged hair.